Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So today we will learn one of the important topic in Selenium, and that topic is called debugging. So right now we are trying this into a Selenium project, but you can have this debugging anywhere, like if it's Selenium project, if it's APM or rest assured or anything else also. So whatever the code which you're writing, you can debug that out. And how it is done? So normally what we do when we get any kind of a issue in Selenium, so we try to find out at which line, at which command we are getting an issue, and we try to fix that up. Okay, so the one way is which normally people do is giving set certain sys out like this in between the code, and then they will see that when they're running the code till the time the sys out is running, it means the program is running. And if in case my this sysout is not working, so that's mean anything which is above this line, that might be an error, and they try to fix that error. Okay, so sometime it works. So I have tried that at my end also, and sometime when we give log.info or sysout at the various places, we are able to identify that where the problem occur. Okay, but that is a old fashioned way, or you can say that is only one of the way, but there is also another way through which we can debug the code, and that is by opening the debug perspective. And let me tell you how we do it. So if you know, for example, from this line of code, I want to debug my method. This is my method, right? This is my main method. Okay, and this is complete main method. This is one of the program, just a dummy program, which is writing something onto the web page. Let me just show you what it is doing, this program. Okay, so here it writes something on the web page. I am typing google.com. Okay, and in that I am typing Selenium. Okay, so once it types Selenium, it okay, just wait. Okay, it give me a list. It click on the first link. Okay, after that it open that first link. Once it get loaded, it navigate back. Then again it type Selenium, and then it click on the second link, and then it navigate back, and then it click on the third link. So this is just a dummy program which is doing that. So now we are trying to debug it. Okay, so what we need to do on any line which you think that is giving you an issue, what you can do, just go here at the left hand side, do a right click and click on toggle breakpoint. Okay, so we have made a breakpoint here, so we can make as many breakpoint which we want, but I only have made one breakpoint. Okay, I can make a breakpoint here also, in other places also. So we have kept a breakpoint here. Now, if I have to run in a debugging mode, what I need to do after doing a right click, instead of doing run as Java application, I will do debug as Java application. Okay, I will just click on this. All right, so it will first try to run my program. Okay, so it has opened the Chrome browser. See guys, this is very important because sometimes we get these issues when we are working on any project, and if you don't know how to debug, it always a problem for us. So it gives us a confirmation box that do you want to open the debug perspective. We will say yes. So this is the complete debugging perspective which we get. So if you see here, we are at this line, our code is stuck on this line, it is not moving forward. Okay, if you see here, nothing has been typed, not even URL has been typed, because my debugging point is here. Now I have two options. So one is that I can execute the next step, or I can see that if it's calling a method, it will try to go inside this method. Okay. So if I do something like step into, it will go into the method and will show and will, execute each line one by one, which is into the get method. But I don't want to do that. I just, call step over. Let me just check. Okay. So it has opened the google.com. All right. So now it has gone to the next page. Okay, you can also do one thing whenever you are Like in a debugging mode, you can move your mouse pointer on the different variables, right? So this is a driver, the reference variable of my driver. So if you see here, it says driver equal to Chrome driver. So that's mean it has been instantiated with the Chrome driver, and it has, there are some capabilities which has been set up for this driver. All right, you can see that, right? Right. So now what I can do, it says driver.findElement. Again, I will step over. All right. So okay. So not getting anything here. By.name. That's okay. All right. That's till now it's driver. Now thread.sleep. Okay. I don't want to do anything with that. Step over. All right. Now list equal to driver.findElement. If I see list, the list is empty right now. Nothing is there. Okay. I will step over, and you will see here now. If I move my mouse pointer to the list, so it has got a list. Are you getting this? It is getting a list here. Okay, and you can see all the web elements it has found, right? So here also, if we see driver.findElement, it gives us all the variables which are stored in driver, all the things which are stored in driver give me, and whatever is in the list, it is giving me a list of that. Okay, now it says my list.size, right? So if I go to size, it is 0, like nothing is there in size because my command is here. If I step over, okay, it give me the size. So size is 11 here. Okay, so this is the way, you can debug the things. And if you see here, all the variables, it is written here also, correct? At the right hand side, size is 11 and everything. All right. So this is the way you can debug the things. There are more things which is happens in the debug panel which you can explore by your own, but this is the way I have told you that you can do a basic debugging. All right. So you just have to do a step over, or maybe sometime you have to do step in to see it. Here it is doing everything whatever we are doing. So program is running, right? We are just checking the values of each variable, and wherever there is any issue, for example, you are getting java dot null pointer exception or any exception which you are getting, so as soon as you do a step over, it will give you error here. So you will know on that particular line we are getting the issue, and just before that line, you can also check the variable's value. So you will get an idea why you got this issue. All right. So that is now only for the debugging. Just try it from yourself and see if you are able to see the values of the variable, and if sometime you get an exception, what is the value of the other variables before that line of code. Okay, then you will know what the issue is. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please hit on the like button and share with your friends so that they can also know about this. All right, thank you.